Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Had a customer who went through 2 mechanics, could not figure out why his fuel pump was not working. We already tested the old fuel pump. It was getting 12 volts to the fuel pump itself. The mistake people don't realize is when you get the brand new fuel pump, it's going to come with this brand new wiring harness. Also, by the way, your fuel pump is behind the seat, by the way. He was not getting any power to it. The reason being is because on the original one, this is the negative and this is the power. On the new fuel pump, it is not wired that way. You have the power, which is this one in my hand, all the way over to the left. That's power. And if you notice, there's a wire in the middle. That is going to be where this black wire is supposed to be. And these 2 small wires is going to be the float, which goes onto the purple wires all the way to the right. So this is the now new ground on the new fuel pump. So you're going to plug it in and it'll never start due to the fact, again, I'm going to go through this again. On the new fuel pump, the old fuel pump wiring harness that came with the car, this is power. This is to the left. This is the negative. They're together. And then you have the black, you have a blue and a black and another blue. On the brand new one, you can tell that this is the power. This separates it, what the black one was, and the old one had this orange wire, which is negative, and they were right beside each other. But on the new one, they have a wire in between it. So the car would never, ever, ever start in a million years because the wiring harness pins are different on the new fuel pump. And this guy's been going through a lot, and he's been changing parts, doing this and doing that. So in the next time, 2010, or any fuel pumps that you do in a Dodge Charger, look at the new wire diagram. It is completely different than what came with your car. These 2 right here on the purple, all the way over, is going to be for the float. And this little purple one right here is going to be the black wire, which is right there. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I only make these videos to help people. This guy's been stranded for 4 days, and for the life of every mechanic came along, they couldn't figure it out. I'm not here to put down anybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.